Hi guys, welcome to the video. Today's video is an unboxing of, you guessed it, I told y'all I had made several orders. Sigma had a sale going on and they suckered me in. So, this one is for you guys. So, let's unbox, see what we got. Okay, so, the first little thing, we always get a little sachet in here of the Sigmagic brush shampoo. This stuff is wonderful. I have a bunch of these little ones, and I have the full-size one as well, and I use them, and they are wonderful. And this is a little, what number is this? An E30, yep, an E34. This is a domed utility brush, and that's what that looks like. And I have several of these, and would you know it, I don't have one at the ready to show you guys. But is this one? No, that's not. All right. Well, I'm not going to touch it because I'm going to put this in a giveaway because I have several of them. But that's what the tip looks like. And a lot of times these come in the brushes that come in the palettes. So there's that. That's going to be for one of you guys. And then we got, this is what I ordered. The Ann Nook palette. And this went on sale. So that's why I got it. And this is what this puppy looks like. And I do watch Ann, but this is what the outside palette looks like. I don't think this comes with a brush. No, it doesn't. But it comes with, of course, the really nice shadow protector. Really nice mirror. And those are the colors. No, that's just, isn't that beautiful? I mean, look at the pops of color in that. You know, these are just right up, I mean, look. These are just right up my alley. So, I'm so super excited to do a look with this. So, and when their sale was, if you spent, I don't remember if it was $25 or $30, but you got some free stuff, which this brush, I think, was $4, and I think this was on sale for $29. Then I got a discount off. Anyway, this has been a while since I'd ordered this. But this came free, which is this. Now, I'm not going to open this. Actually, I will open it. I want to make sure that it's not broken. But, okay, so this does come with this size brush. This is an E25. This is a fantastic brush. And inside, it comes with, wrapped again. So, this one's mine. Let me put that back up. I'm going to rewrap it. this is what, give you a better close-up look. This is what this palette looks like. And guys, when I tell you, this little 6-pan, I mean, the name says it all. It is magnificent. I'm going to swatch. Let's see. I'm going to swatch that one. I'm going to swatch all the shimmers. And I will swatch this one. And I'll swatch these last two mattes. Okay, so here's two of the mattes. I suck at swatching, y'all know this. Okay, so those are two of the mattes. And then these are the shimmers and a matte. So we've got that one, that one, that one, and that one. They are just absolutely stunning. I reach for this palette so much, you know, off camera. If I'm going somewhere, you know, I typically keep this, and I had actually just moved some things around, but this, I usually keep this up here. All of my Sigma palettes are here on this little shelf. One day I'll do a little beauty area. If you guys want to see that, let me know. If you don't, that's cool too. But I reach for this a lot because I love these tones. So when I saw that I could get a free palette with a certain amount of purchase, I was like, I'm gonna get one because I want to give it to one of you guys. So this will be in a future giveaway because I am not affiliated with Sigma. I need to really stress that. I don't have a code. The discounts that I get are discounts that anybody can get. You sign up for their text list, email list, you know, whatever. There's something else in here. Okay. Of course, you get your little card. And then I got this, which is this is the Sigma Makeup Brush Cleanser and Tool Deep Cleans Makeup Brushes. Okay. So it looks like it's got the little suction things. Oh, that is so neat. I guess this was free because I didn't buy this either. I only bought the palette and the brush. So, but let's open this. Oh. Oh, okay. That's super neat. Oh, it's got the cleaner already embedded in it. So that's neat. And it's got the suction so it can sit at the bottom of your sink. That is super neat. Okay. And oh yeah, when it's got a little directions. Secure suction cups in sink. Swirl a wet brush on the texture to lather. Rinse well. Repeat as needed. That is, you know what? I'm all for that. I do try to share on my community post when I do see sales going on with Sigma, I do try to share it with you guys. You know, I'm not, like I said, I don't make anything from it. I don't, but Sigma has not a single solitary clue who I am, and that's okay. I know who they are, and that's what matters. But I do believe that is it for my makeup buying for the year. I have what I need. Like I said, I have one more palette coming. And it's a 9-pan and wasn't that expensive. So, be beautiful. Be kind. Make sure you hit the like button. Click the bell. Subscribe to my channel. Do all those YouTubey things. I sure would appreciate it. It helps me out a lot. And it's free. Alright, guys. See you later. Bye.